So thanks, Omer, for inviting me. I'm Carlos Bernardos. I'm professor at UC3M, and I'm here to represent, and apologies for giving you my back, sorry about that. I'm going to represent a kind of a view from an academic on IMT-2030. So I selected 3 topics, because if you ask an academic, well, we can talk about anything. Invent came up about new problems. You can ask me about 7G and I will probably say something. But I think it's just better to focus on 3 things that, of course, I'm working on in some way. So the first one is deterministic communications. Why I selected this? Well, because I think that 5G URLLC is not there yet, at least as I thought URLLC promised to be, or the promises that the URLC had in my mind at the beginning. I think we are not there yet. So there are many use cases, and well, I guess the vehicular one that was presented before is one that there are applications that may require more than what 5G will be capable of offering. So basically, we want to deliver the right packet at the right time. There are many things behind that, of course. And there are also a lot of challenges, because there is a lot of work being done there. And as Alain said, in 5G, there are many things in DetNet. But there are other things that are not yet very much explored, like multi-domain, when we integrate multiple domains from an administrative point of view, but also from a technological point of view. So we may want to merge TSN with Wi-Fi, with 5G, for example. We also need we also have a lot of challenges when we add mobility on top of all this. So I think deterministic communications has still a lot to say in 6G. Another one, well, Alain already presented it, and we also had this, some talks about that from Jesus, is integrated sensing and communication. So we are trying to build a network that will not only be capable of doing what a network is supposed to be and traditionally has done, but also will be able to sense, to become a very large distributed sensor capable of doing that, in addition to the communication capabilities. And again, here, there are a lot of challenges on top of that. So how we combine different type of potential ways of sensing, how we integrate mobility while we are doing the sensing. The objects are maybe mobile, the sensors may be mobile. How do we do this with some kind of privacy and security that may depend on the application and may depend on the user of the technology? All these type of things are interesting challenges from a research point of view. And the last one is, of course, AI. AI, and AI. We have a lot of AI in many different things. We are applying AI and machine learning to everything. Of course, AI has the potential to optimize the operation of a network. Many things we all know about this. But it's also true that AI might not be the right tool for everything. And this is something that we need to be aware of. And I think that's important to know. AI may not be the right tool, and we need to be able to select for which things we use AI and for which things we don't. And that's what I wanted to say. Thanks a lot.